This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Northern Henrico. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome. This townhome is located here in a new townhome community. These units were just built. We're going to take a look at the model today. This is a really good location. Directly in the middle of your frame right now there is a gym, and that is part of a strip center. There are a lot of other businesses there. There was a grocery store. There is a drugstore, a lot of other businesses there. Directly ahead is auto repair. There's a bank over there as well. And the reason I mention that is because this is probably one of the most walkable locations that I've been at in a long time. Richmond is not exactly known for having a lot of walkability when it comes to living somewhere and being able to walk to a lot of the amenities that we need on a daily basis. So this one definitely stands out from the rest because of that. The last video I did was a rehab property. It was habitable, but it needed quite a bit of work, and clearly you guys didn't really like it that much. I had people say that that house should be torn down. I know that that's not the fact, because if you look at the link that I put on that video, there was my termite special, which really could have been torn down, was in much worse shape, and someone has renovated it, and it's currently on the market if it hasn't already sold. I put the link down in the description below so you can take a look at that if you didn't catch it. But it also, someone said, where I'm from, that house would be almost as good as new construction. And that kind of caught me. I thought about it and I said, wow, you just never really know kind of what someone's living condition is like, or how much you have, until a comment like that kind of puts it in perspective. This is Thanksgiving weekend, and I just wake up every morning. I'm so thankful that I get to do something that I love, and get to pursue something that I'm really passionate about. And I'm definitely thankful for that. And not only that, but other things that we have that we just simply take for granted. So I challenge you to definitely look and see what it is that you're thankful for. And this is a very special time to do so. Okay, as we come in, we have a couple options. We can go up the steps to the right. Here to the left is going to be our 1-car garage. They have finished this as a model. If this were going to be on the market, it would simply be a garage. The garage door would be there at the very front, and you would pull in that driveway just like all the other homes that are next to this one. So this would be an actual garage. Directly ahead, we have under-stair storage. It's a nice convenient here to the front door. And a rec room is in this particular configuration. Right now it's being used as a sales office. Jessie is hard at work. She's filling in today. This isn't her normal community, but she's definitely jumped right in and definitely making it work. I appreciate all of her help.
Demonstrating what a great office is made.
Yes, ma'am. It is a great office indeed. We have a powder room here on this first level, and of course our doors going out to the rear. We're going to see our backyard a little bit better when we go up to the deck on the second level. All right, I love this. We've seen this gray and white interior before, and as you were already aware, this is extremely popular in today's new construction. The HOA here is $94. This home is coming in at about $22.05 for the square footage, and our pricing is just a touch under $270,000. So that gives you an idea of what we look like for the numbers here. I love this nice wide open floor plan that we have here. We've got the family room to the rear, our kitchen area, and then our dining area towards the front of the unit. They do a really nice job of furnishing these models, and it really makes them come to life when you can see it professionally decorated. I love what they did here on the deck. They came in and put in a really nice sized deck. You can see we've got pretty good sized furniture back here, and there's still enough room to navigate around. This is where another unit is currently being constructed straight ahead. Notice the portion that's smaller or that's lower there for the garages. So you can kind of tell exactly how they're going to be laid out. That stone there in the middle of the frame is going to be the driveways. And this is slab construction, which means there's no crawl space. Many of the homes that we see here in this area have a crawl space. These are slab construction. So in other words, the concrete is going to be laid down, and then your finished flooring would go right on top of that. There's no air space between the dirt and your flooring. No crawl space, slab construction. Okay, this is an absolutely beautiful kitchen here. Wanted to point out a couple amenities. We've got nice 42-inch cabinets, beautiful granite countertop. I like the glass backsplash that they put in place as well. We have Frigidaire microwave and range in the wall, built-in Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator, pantry located right there. And no, I know someone's going to ask, oh, that is wine. I wonder why they have wine here in the model. Okay, beautiful space here on this island. Our dishwasher, stainless steel right there as well. Nice deep sink. And I love what they did with these lights here that hang over the island. Enough space for 4 right there at the island. That's a nice feature. And there's plenty of recessed lighting in this kitchen as well. Let's go on to the front towards our dining area. As you can see, this is a nice large table. We've got good natural light that flows in here. This once again is an end unit. End units are particularly nice because you do have an extra set of windows typically on the side that you won't get on an interior unit. And in most townhome communities, there is a premium for that. Our powder room here on the second level. Nice window as well for it, let in some light. Let's go on up to our third level, which is going to be our bedroom level. In this floor plan, you have an option for 2 or 3 bedrooms. If you get a 2-bedroom unit, then I'll show you where it's going to be a much larger bedroom. Obviously, not everyone has a need for a 3-bedroom. We've got Electrolux washer dryer there in place. These are going to be 2 conservative bedrooms. We're going to take a look at that hall bath here before I go to the master. So they set this one up here with the day bed. And we've got, I believe, a full size in our next bedroom. I just love how bright and airy these models always seem to feel. They do a really good job from a presentation standpoint. Okay, something I wanted to point out here. Now this, I believe, is a full, this may be a queen, but if you notice, that's not a full depth piece of furniture there. And we've got about 18 inches there between the bed and the furniture. So you would have to arrange this accordingly. If you were going to make this a bedroom, I probably would end up going with a twin just to make it a little bit more functional. In their closet there. Now, a lot of people will see this and they'll have no idea why we had that little ramp. I'm going to go here from the side, give you a better angle. We had that angle there because on the other side of this closet is our stairwell. So in order to give the clearance for the stairwell, they often have to put that little indentation there in the closet space. Okay, this is going to be our hall bath, nicely appointed. We do have tile in this one. This is indeed ceramic tile. Very well done. And to our left is going to be the master. I'm going to take you there right now. This home does have an access panel there for storage. But the beautiful thing is, with it having a garage, then that will typically be sufficient storage for most people. If you're not going to put a car there, then they often use it for personal property. We're now looking into our master. Our master has 2 closets, which is a huge, huge plus. We've got a nice walk-in closet here. And I'm going to take you into the bathroom, which I was really impressed with. I believe we have another closet in our bathroom as well. I'll give you a shot here of the opposite angle. Actually, I'm sorry, that is our only bathroom. I'm not sure why I thought there was a second bathroom. Excuse me, a second closet. And this is, of course, our stand-up shower for the master. They did put a seat in there as well, nice and convenient. And beautiful double vanity. They went with an espresso type vanity there. I think it looks really classy with the marble-like finish on the vanity. Huge, huge mirror. I think it's very nicely appointed. Okay, that's going to do it for this beautiful new construction townhome. If you have any questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. Be sure, if you're looking for new construction, whether it be townhomes, single family, condos, it's important to always have your own representation. So it doesn't cost you anything. The fees are paid by the seller. So you always want to have somebody looking out for you, your best interest. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. I can be reached on Facebook, under Richmond Area Foreclosures on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I wish you and your family happy Thanksgiving. Have a great day.